It's a Stitch Fix day. If you want to see what I got in my bundles, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So today we have a Stitch Fix. Now to be fair, this is a January Stitch Fix. However, I just did not get the time to do the video. So it's a January Stitch Fix being recorded in February. A little bit about Stitch Fix if you haven't tried it before. It is a clothing subscription. You get 5 pieces of clothing per month. You do get a stylist. That stylist will cost you £10. However, if you pick anything from your box, that £10 will be deducted. If you choose to have nothing, however, you do lose out on that £10. With it, you get some paperwork, you get a return label, so anything you don't want, just pop this back on the box and send it off. You'll also receive styling cards and a note from your stylist. These are very handy. And my stylist for this month is called Nikki. She writes a note. And also, if you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, both get £15 in credit, so I will leave my personal link down below. Also, in your bundle of paperwork, you'll receive your invoice. I always leave this till last when I'm going through the clothing and my thoughts on what I did like and didn't like. So sit back, grab your coffee and enjoy. So we are back with the try on portion of this video and an up and close look at all the pieces individually. I'll tell you at the end of the video if I'm likely to keep any of the items that I was sent. Just before we do that though, if you very much wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, I would very much appreciate it. And also don't forget to check out the February giveaway. That is a Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and there's also a Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick up for grabs. So if you fancy having a go at that, I will leave everything you need to know about the giveaway down below. I'll also leave details regarding Stitch Fix down below for you to have a look at for yourself. First item I tried on was this lovely jumper. Absolutely gorgeous. I really like this. It's nice and soft on. It wasn't one of those scratchy, itchy sort of jumpers, sorry. I even like the colour, quite like the pattern on it as well. I feel it's quite trendy. The arms and waist are banded and it was a round neck. So let me just give you some details on how much it costs, sizing and the brand. The brand is by MAUVETTE. It's called the Queenie Fluffy Pointelli Jumper. It's an off-white. The size is 16 and this will cost £49. Okay, well I do like the jumper on. I thought it fit lovely. Jumpers are not really my thing, you know. I don't really own many jumpers. So I don't know, but I did like it on. It feels absolutely beautiful. Would I pay £49 for a jumper? Secondly, I tried on the dress. Colours are yellow and white. Back part of this is the elastication on the back. Don't know if you can see that, but it's got that elastic on the back there. The length was lovely. I felt the fit was lovely. It was, yeah, it's an okay dress, but just not this time of year. The brand is MAUVETTE. It's called the Cara Midi Black Printed Occasional Summer Dress. The colour's black, the size is 16 and the cost is £49 for that one. Then we tried on the long maxi dress. This is something I'd probably wear on holiday. I like the neck on it. It was quite pretty. It's got the elastication in the waist. These straps are adjustable, which is brilliant. The quality is nice. It feels lovely, soft. It's got like a rib sort of pattern. I don't know again if you can see that up close. I like this. I liked it on. It was very long on me. Let me just give you the details on that one. Branding is called Object. It's called the Kai Singlet Maxi Dress. The colour is black. The size is large and the cost of that is £50. Okay, next I tried on this. This is the cardigan. The buttons are workable. So the sleeves are quite puffy. I don't know if there's a name for this sort of sleeve. It's quite a short bodied cardigan. It's very soft again, good quality, nice piece, quite warm. I quite like this. I love the quality of it. It's quite thick material as well. This is by Only. It's called the Benign V-neck cardigan. The colour's beige, the size is large, and the cost of that is £32. And last item was the jeans. My goodness, they never get the jeans right. I didn't even have to undo these to pop these on. I just literally slipped them up. So the sizing is completely out. But I think they kind of like did that. I feel sure they did that, the extra sizing, to try not to have that ribbon thing that I complain about the jeans. I just don't know why they still send me jeans, because they would have to be like fit perfectly, look pretty awesome to even pay the prices of some of these jeans. Are so expensive. And if you're a regular watcher of mine, you know that I always generally now get my jeans from Primark because they fit as they should and they're very, very budget friendly. Editor's cut. They're called the Sam Straight Leg Jean. The colour is indigo. The sizes are 36 and they cost £55. Our box came to £235. If you buy all 5 items, you get a 20% discount, which would be a £47. You get your £10 styling fee deducted. So that is the whole total of £178 for that box. Okay, so my thoughts on the box. I found it quite boring. I didn't really appreciate the fact that 2 of those items were summer dresses, 2 jumpers, and 1 was a pair of jeans that were 3 sizes too big for me. I know I'm quite a hard person to please anyway, and I have this ideal style in my head. Things I like wearing are quite casual, very, very casual. In fact, as you all know, I have my 3 grandsons. So I don't get dressed up, I don't glamorize, there's just absolutely no point. So I'm definitely a sort of a hoodie, tracky bottoms kind of girl, casual, something I can throw on in the morning, but still I just want to look stylish but easygoing. So anyway, I've sent them a load of pictures of the styles that I like. Because where we live, we're fortunate that we have miles and miles of fields with hundreds of wild horses, and that's where we spend most of our time, particularly with lockdown in place. Out of the 5 items, keep that. So I think that was £32. Then with my £10 styling fee, that'd be £22. Okay, so that is it, my lovelies. Don't forget to check out the giveaway. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. I'd much appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up. Give me your comments. Do you think this box is boring? Would you be happy to receive this? Paying £10 for the pleasure. Have yourselves a really, really good day, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care. Bye. Mwah. Bye.